everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Avery Project. As you can tell, today is another Funko Pop day. So, what we have today is I went, Funko hunting, was it last weekend? Or the weekend before I went, and I picked these three up. Unfortunately, I've been busy. Had a car video to make, last week, so this week I figured I'd bring you these. Since some of you guys do like to watch this stuff, and as you can tell, I got a mystery box. I don't have a clue what's in it. I ordered this online from a place called InsaneToyShop.com. So, it was a mystery box. 6 mystery pops. That's all I know. $47. We'll see what it comes out to in the end of the show. So first off, what we got here is, I told you guys I wanted that Diamond Edition Harley Quinn. And I picked her up a couple weeks ago from Hot Topic. Real nice looking. I made sure to get picky on the paint, because I know some people have issues with how they look in paint job wise. And, well, she's really nice. I'd have to say that there is no runs. The lines for her cross section of her suit where the colors come together, they all look really nice. Box is in extremely good condition. So, yeah, I really like that one. I've been waiting for that one to go with my diamond collection. I think I got 5 or 6 of these now. Maybe in the next couple of weeks I'll bring a video up, because I will be picking up Maleficent here soon. So, I'll bring you guys a video of my diamond collection. Not very big, but hey, And here's another one I picked up from Toys R Us. And if you guys have not heard yet, by what I was reading online, I'm not sure how 100% sure it is, but I've heard that all Toys R Us stores are going out of business. I guess some were closing down, but I guess they're all going to go out of business now. So look into that. Get to you guys to your toy store, I'm telling you. Perfect condition. I wasn't expecting to find one in, a great condition at Toys R Us, considering how the people like to pick through them and tear them up. But as you can see, he's got the little gamepad thing in his hand that they had at the beginning of the movie that the Star-Lord was playing with. He's got that in his hand. Looks pretty neat. Look at that. Looks almost angry. He's brooding. They should have called that Brooding Groot. Looks pretty neat. And then, my favorite, you guys, Stranger Things. I love the show. Love the pops. So here it is, finally. 11 with Egos. I picked her up at the same time that I did the other ones. I believe I got her at Target. Was it Target in Mount Pleasant? Or did I order this one? I've been ordering a lot of stuff online, so I cannot recall this one, but I know I got it a couple of weeks ago. It's been sitting with the rest of them. The only ones that I'm missing now is 11 Underwater and Dustin number, 424. Right here. This guy and this one. So, if anybody out there has either of those two, and you guys are willing to make a decent deal, I have a Chase Porg. I'll trade you. If you have a Dustin or an Underwater 11, I'll trade you the Chase Porg for it. So if you do, get with me. We'll get that taken care of. Alright, now, I know, my video's not very long, it's going kind of quick. Today's been busy. I got some more stuff to do. Maybe a little bit more shopping to do later. Not sure. Got a few vehicles to look at. Maybe make a video out of that later. Who knows? But I know the box that most people like to wait for, the unboxing part. So, ta-da! Alright. Look at that. All taped up. Nowhere to go. Let's get this opened up. Alright. Don't want to cut myself, and I don't want to cut these pops. I'm not sure if they're double boxed or not. Yeah. Michigan weather sucks. And no comments about the shirts either, guys. I know some of you guys will make a funny comment about my shirt. Let's not do that. I'm a Michigan boy. I can't help it. Let's see what I got. Oh, look at that. Oh, and it's packed again. Darn. And here I thought we was gonna get lucky. Watch the place got me good. And it's a box inside a box inside a box with no Funko Pops. That would be bummer. But it says right here Funko LLC. So we'll see. It says 6 pieces per case. It's movie pops. Oh. Huh. And it comes from a good movie by what the box is saying, if that's really what's in the box. So let's just see how much of a mystery box this really was. Alright, here it goes, you guys. Let's see what we've got in here. Get this opened up. Alright, well, it's looking like we got an NFL one, which unfortunately, if it doesn't match the shirt, I'm giving it away. Unless it's a chase, and then you know how that goes. So let's see what we got here. We'll start off with him first. Richard Sherman from the Seattle Seahawks. Huh. Good condition? Never heard of him. Go figure for me. I mean, if it's not on the Detroit Lions, who knows, right? Let's see what the ones are on the back of the box. Huh. Well, I know they have a Barry Sanders Funko Pop out. But I'm not seeing his name on the back of the box. Oh, and it's a removable helmet, so I can take his little helmet off and he'll have his thing on with his dreadlocks going. So that's pretty neat. Richard Sherman, Seattle Seahawks. So if I ever run into the guy, which I probably never will, maybe I'll get it signed, make it worth something. Oh, what's this one? Deb. Oh, Napoleon Dynamite. Check that out. All completely random Funko Pops on Insane. What was that again? Insane. I'm terrible at that. InsaneToyShop.com. Yeah, let's see what this one is. Dodgeball. Ooh. Peter LaFeru. The Average Joe, huh? Why do I know who that is? I've seen the movie once. So, yeah. Anyway, perfect condition. Nice box. Looks pretty nice. I like that. I may end up ordering another one of these boxes. I'm kind of liking this. The randomness of it, though. I mean, Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Angel. Oh, hey. Yeah. I know who you are. I watched this show. I used to like watching this show when I was younger. Spike was the coolest. Willow's awesome, too. You guys remember her from the American Pie show or movie. But anyway, here he is. From Buffy the Vampire Slayer, Angel. And again, a perfect box. Got a little smudge on the front display. But nothing major, a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab. Should take that off. It looks like it's a surface mark, so I might get away with rubbing that off from there. Perfect condition. Oh, and a wrestling Funko. I'm not into the wrestling thing. Was when I was little. Alright. Oh, the Iron Sheik. Okay. I do know who he is. I mean, I used to watch wrestling a lot when I was younger. But I know of who he is. That's pretty neat. It's got the little WWE cereal sticker on there and everything at the bottom. That's pretty neat. And again, another perfect box. And this one, oh wow, this one is neat looking. Oh my god, you guys. Space Cadet from Duck Dodgers. A chase. Like, check that out. How neat is that? That is awesome. So now all I really need to get is Marvin the Martian because, well, everybody needs Marvin the Martian. I used to do his voice a lot when I was little. But that is so cool. Space Cadet. That is totally wicked. And he even came in a little display case. So that's neat. So, you guys remember, go check that out. InsaneToyShop.com. Yeah. That was perfect. That's a great box. I will have to order another one of those. Bam, a chase. Oh my god, that's like 8 or 9 chases now. Yeah. So you guys, if you guys like this video and it looked cool, guys, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe it with or share with everybody, sorry. And don't forget to subscribe. And make sure if you do subscribe, hit the notification so that way you guys get notified anytime I upload a video. I do also do car DIY videos, so if you guys have not checked any of those out, go ahead and check them out in my on my page. I got a couple of nice ones on there if you need to know how to install a transmission filter or, you know, control arms, stuff like that, you know, simple stuff that anybody can do. So, till next time you guys, peace out!